Miss Lee, paano po kung nagsasabi po ng totoo si Helena? Paano po kung...
How about this? Di ba obvious that my husband had an affair with this woman? And I'm sure gumawa siya ng paraan para mahulog si Eddie sa kanya.
Miss Lee,
Ano, naniniwala ka? Sa kasinungalingan niya? I'm the one being cheated on. Ang dalawang taong pinagkatiwalaan ko. And you know, this wouldn't even be happening if not because of you.
Miss Lee, paano po ako nadamay dito?
Because I told Helena that you were going to be my successor one day. Ayun, she got pissed.
Ako po magiging successor niyo?
Who else? Ikaw lang ang magaling. Ikaw lang ang pwedeng pumalit kay Helena. Wala nang iba. Kaya nainggit siya. Nagalit. Kaya niya ginagawa to. Kaya, Shari, kampihan mo ko. Help me fight Helena and all her lies. Tutuparin ko lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And I will treat you like my own daughter. I know that you could be something. I trust you. Na alam kong tutulungan mo ako.